Yo, what's up, guys? It's your boy Billy Rich here, first right here, and in today's video, guys, I'm gonna be teaching you guys simple steps to analyze your forex chart. Okay, so guys, whenever you come to the market, here are the simple things to do to make trading easier for you. Okay, so guys, today's video, I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to analyze your chart. Okay, so guys, in forex trading, whenever you come to your chart, the first thing you have to take a look at is the market structure. Okay, what do we mean by a market structure? A trend. Okay, a trend which the market is following. Okay, so guys, whenever we come to the market, we have to know the trend. Is it an uptrend or a downtrend? And we approach it according to what is happening in the market. Okay, so guys, that is what I'm going to be teaching you guys today. So whenever you come to your chart, I recommend, first of all, you have to take it to your higher time frame, which is the hour 4. Okay, I'm going to teach you guys how to analyze from the hour 4 time frame to 15 time frame. Okay, so guys, what you first have to take a look at is the trend. Okay, so guys, from here upward, it is an uptrend. Okay, so guys, let me teach you guys how we trade with the trend. So guys, let's say you come to the market and the market, it is going upward, this upward direction. Okay, so you come to the market, you come to meet the market at this point. Okay, at this point where the market is going to the upside, and then you see it pulling back downward. So guys, what is are the steps which you need to take at this point? So guys, first of all, now that we see that the market is moving upward, what you first have to do is to first identify our levels. Okay, our support and resistance level. So you have to identify all these big levels. So you identify this level. Okay, you identify this level also. You will identify this third level also. Okay, you will identify this resistance level here. Okay, so here are the things you need to identify on your chart. You have to identify the levels, okay, on your chart, the support, the big support and the big resistance level. So guys, I told you guys that, so we made the market here. So here are the things which you need to do. So after identifying these 4 levels here, so what do we need to do as we made the market at this point? Is either we wait for it to move to this level, and then we check for market reaction here and take our sell, or we wait for it to come to this level, we see a reaction, we buy, or we wait, if it breaks out here, we wait for it to come to this level, we wait for reaction, then we check on the 15 time frame, and then we buy. Okay, so the market dropped from this level to this level, and then it started moving up from here. So guys, let's switch down to the 15 time frame, and let's check out what happened at that level. So guys, this is the level, this is the support level on the M15 time frame. Okay, this is the support level on the M15 time frame. So after the market reached out to this zone, so let me show you guys how we get perfect sniper entry trades using our 4 to our 15 breakdown analysis. So when the market reach this level, you have to switch it to M15 so that I can be viewing what is happening clearly. So we see the market came to this level. So the market came to this level, it went up. Okay, so it came back again, it went up the second time, it came back the third time again. So I think this is the perfect time for you to enter your trades. Okay, this is the perfect time for you to enter your trades. So for you to get a perfect sniper entry and a very tight stop loss, what you have to do is to enter your trade this third time which it came to this level. Okay, you have to enter your trade, place your stop loss below here, or you can place it below this down level here in case it might come to react to this level here before it goes up. So then your take profit one should be on this next level. Okay, your take profit one should be somewhere here. So let's switch it back to the 4-hour time frame and see how this sniper entry is. Okay, so guys, we see our stop loss. So after you have entered your trade on the 15 minutes time frame, you can come here to set your take profit. Okay, then our take profit one should be on this level, and then our take profit two should be on this level, which will give us 1:5.2. Okay, so guys, this is how to analyze your market. Okay, so guys, and then if you are the type that likes to enter many positions after the market broke out this level, after we have entered our trade here and the market just broke out this level and then it came back here, you can go to the M15 time frame, and when you see a reaction on the M15 time frame at this level, what you have to do is to enter another buys on this level here again. So you enter another buys on this level. So after you confirm it on the M15 time frame, you will enter your buys, place your stop loss below this level. This one I know is going to be a very big sniper entry. Okay, so your take profit, you can make your take profit one somewhere here. Okay, which will give you 1:10. So you can make your take profit one somewhere here. So and your take profit two, you can extend it to maybe 1:20. Okay, your take profit two, you can extend it to somewhere here. But whenever your take profit one is it, you should be trailing your stop loss. So you see how this trade played out. Okay, so and also after it breaks out this level, you can wait for it to come back to this level, and then once you see a reaction here, you can still enter a trade here on this level, or here on this level here. You enter your trade here, you place your stop loss below here, and then your take profit one should be on this level here, 103.7, and then your take profit two can be higher. Okay, so guys, this is the perfect way for us to analyze our chart. So, and if you enjoyed watching this video, make sure to smash the like button for me, okay, so as to promote this video for others to see. Okay, and also if you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure to subscribe to this channel for more exclusive videos like this. Thanks.